Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome your faces back to a brand new video. We are back uploading for you guys Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, 5 PM. 10k subscriber special is coming soon.
No.
Isn't it?
No.
Yeah?
No.
We are going to go and do that, but at the minute the weather's a little bit bad, as you can see out there. Poor 350, sat in the rain. But we'll sort that out. We're going to probably put some of that back together today, so you'll see one side of the car complete. Also at the same time, we've got this Civic in, which we are just putting the sills over the wheel arches, reconnecting them back together because they have an habit of coming off basically. And that rain has just picked up quite a bit, Jack. Really? So the Peugeot 206 is coming back for some work today as well. We'll probably throw a few little bits and snippets of that in this video. It's coming back for some rear drums and shoes. Also a new radiator and also bearings which are incorporated in the drums. I said it right that time, Jack, so we're going to smash this Civic out, and then straight after that we're probably going to start working on the Peugeot, get all those bits done, ready for him to come and collect that. And then once that's finished, we will work on the 350, like I said, put that all back together, and then you can see one side done. We still have to get that other side welded in. If you're not sure on the process and the progress of the 350, go and watch the last video, and we do talk about it in that one as well. So, without further ado, t-shirts are going to be released as well very, very, very soon. We are looking at getting our own brand done at the minute. It's going to have our sponsors on the back, people that support us on this channel. If any of you guys out there who are wanting to work with us or cooperate with us with your company, depending obviously what it is, make sure you're hitting us in the comments or sending us an email, rustyfat@gmail.com, or also you can contact us through Instagram, which has been on the screen, and also Jack's is on the screen
Now.
right now. Now. So, with that being said, the normal t-shirts will be a little different to the ones that we're selling to you guys, because obviously we want something a little different from when we're recording and working in here. But the t-shirts will be on sale very, very soon. Stickers are still on sale. If you have ordered stickers, I'm just waiting on our normal guy who does them to come back off holiday, because we've actually sold out. You guys have absolutely smashed it. If you do want to pre-order them, down below, as soon as they come in and as soon as we get them in our hands, we will send them out to you straight away. Without further ado, I'm going to stop talking, and we're going to fuck shit up. Sills are now sealed back on to the wheel arch, so they ain't going anywhere. They've got to leave this tape on just for 24 hours. So again, ignore that. That's not staying. But basically all it happened is it came away from the actual bodywork itself. Going too fast in a Civic. All that VTEC power. But
It's diesel.
it is actually a diesel, isn't it? But also here, that's all connected. Some of the clips was broke, so hence why it's come off a little bit. So we've just sealed that back on as best as it's going to go, and then that obviously sets within 10 minutes, but cures within 24 hours. And Jack's yawning while leaning on his pole. What's planned now? Little donuts.
Donuts, cheese straws, lots and lots and lots of food.
So you're not going to see this, but we are going to go to Lidl and we are going to get some donuts and some cheese straws, because them donuts are just great, aren't they? And cheese straws. So we're going to go and get some of them now, but we'll pick this back up with you guys when we either start working on the Peugeot or the 350. I'm assuming it's going to be Peugeot first. Connor, what you been doing? What you been doing?
I'm sucking this red pipe.
Why have you been sucking that red pipe?
Try and get some stuff out of it.
Can you suck the red pipe?
Clean the shaft.
Always make sure the shaft is clean.
It's like an old man trying to piss. Isn't it?
Why have you watched an old man have a piss?
Why imagine that?
What he's actually doing is trying to get some coolant out the radiator into Jack.
Yeah.
So we can put the new radiator on. This is the new radiator, although this radiator should have been the new one, but let's not mention the company name, shall we? They gave us the wrong one. So, hello new radiator. Can you...
Now I'm going to upset Connor.
Didn't have to do that, did we? No. He's been sat there for about 20 minutes. Oh, could you stop dribbling? You know what I'm about to ask you? You know what I'm about to ask you, don't you?
No.
Did you manage to push that 350?
Yeah.
Jack, who managed to push the 350?
Not Connor.
But who did?
Us.
Singly, by the way, singularly. Just me. Just yeah, he's gone.
I swear that's what it is. The only confrontation, he fucks himself out.
He's embarrassed. Look, he's sulking. He's finished sulking now and he's entertaining himself in the back window. Look how big his neck is. Oh dear.
How big my head is?
That's big anyway. You don't need that reflection. This is the old radiator. She's a bit battered. Coolant leaking everywhere. This is a reason why it's getting switched. But seen better days. Jack's got the new radiator here. Straight swap. No leaking. Not seen better days. 10 times better.
Connor?
What's your face?
So, new radiator's all in. It's just bleeding it out now to make sure there's no air in the system, letting it run. Jack's just cracking on with the rear drums on the back. You having fun?
Yeah.
You having fun, Jackie boy?
Alright.
Jack, what does your tattoo say on your arm? Dream as if you'll live forever, live as if you'll die today. That's actually a good quote. Do you know what? I've actually always wondered what it said. I never asked.
Why?
I don't know. I don't actually know. But again, we're not going to show you in depth of us putting these drums back on to this Peugeot. What we are going to do is we are going to. Connor's just stood there. What are you doing? You look like you're doing something suspicious. Fly tippers will be prosecuted. Who's left this shit here? Oh, no, what about you? No, this. Well, yeah, we're not going to drag that out so much because it's just rare drums and that. So again, appreciate you guys coming up for work. If you don't want any work done by us, link down below. We pretty much do everything. And and what we're going to do then is we're going to put some of the 350 back together, put the doors and everything back on it so it's all waterproof. And what the fuck are you doing?
I knew you were going to try and do that.
So yeah, we're going to jump straight onto that after I've shown you a few more of this. Finally got this drum off. It's been a bit of a nightmare, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's literally had to break the shoes off just to get it off.
Help me.
Well, ignore that.
You got lost.
I'm just gonna go here and here. That is not Connor's leg. We'll talk about that another day. So hopefully the other side isn't going to be as bad as this side. This is what happens though when you don't get your brakes done straight away and you just get people to keep sanding them down. It makes things seize on, it makes it 10 times more harder. So unfortunately, this is one of the things where if your brakes need doing, just make sure you do get them done and make sure they're done properly as well. Don't keep sanding them down. It's okay for like 1 or 2 times, but you know, there's a point where you have to admit that that's it because it makes other people's jobs 10 times harder. So just make sure you're getting them sorted. New shiny drums are on. Shoes are also inside. Here's the old ones. These ones also have the wheel bearings built in as well, so you don't have to mess about pushing them in, which is absolutely great. I'm going to just finish this side up, which is really, really quick. I think he's just done. But what we're also going to do after that is just put the door on the 350 and make it waterproof and that, because we do have a gearbox we need to do tomorrow and change them around. So we need to make sure that that 350 is waterproof. One side of the car is done and wrapped. So you will see one side of the car complete pretty much. The Peugeot is now done. We're going to move on to the 350 and we're going to start putting one side of that back together. So Connor's going to push it and try and redeem himself from later on. So let's see if he can do it. This is now he's on camera. He's on camera now. He's making grunting noises.
He has to get angry for this.
He's going to run. He'll do it if he runs. If he runs, he'll do it. He gets easier here.
I don't want him to do it.
He's going to do it.
He's gonna,
No, I don't think he will.
he's gonna do it.
It's slowing down. It's slowing. It's slowing. He's in.
Oh, well easier than last time.
Finally.
Not me last time.
Finally. Right, Jack, roll it out forward again. See if you can push it back.
What, from where it was?
Yeah. This is redemption. This is redemption. Are you knackered?
Yeah.
Feel it in your thighs? You ready?
It's a grip, look.
You're like a
If I
bull.
had something I could push it off, I'd be fine.
This is the test now. You're going to have to move back. No, you need to move back. Move back. That's it.
You're not allowed to run it.
Right, go. Come on, Connor. You've got this. Come on. Come on, Connor. Use them buns of steel. Come on, Connor. It's sliding. No, it's sliding. Connor, you can do it. I tell you what, we're actually going to cut this clip because we all know he ain't going to do it. He's leaning. He's leaning. Connie, you got a bit red?
I can bench press it, I can shoulder press it, I just got fucking...
Don't. What are you doing? You're hugging it. At least you're not giving up. At least he's not giving up. That's a good thing.
You can do it. You can do it.
Go on, Connor. He's using his knee. No, he's cheating. He's using his knee. Connor, that's cheating.
It's not heavy.
You're cheating.
Come on, Connor.
I'm just moving.
Right, I'm actually going to help him because this is like quite bad now.
I'm just moving.
Go on, Jess, help him.
Come on. Move aside. Move to the side. Don't fucking give it me. It's hard not to slip.
At least she's holding the weight.
I was holding the weight.
It's moving back. Hey? She's doing it. She's doing it. Look at this. No, he isn't. Go on, Jess. Go on. Handbrake. Oh dear. No, not really.
I reckon I could do it.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to put this back together. Connor's now trying to prove himself. He's pulling himself up on the shutter. It ain't working, mate. You failed, pal. You failed, mate. Me and Jack can do it. You can't do it. Jess even did it. Do you know what I mean? Connor, look, he's gone to sulk in his car now. Look. He's gone to sulk in his car. He even changed his shoes for that as well. Didn't you, Connor? Yeah, you did. So, end of the night, Jack's had to rush off. So, just Connor and Jess hiding behind Connor. So, 350 is now built up on this side, apart from the door handle and the side skirt. The side skirt's going to get wrapped in a gloss black. The 350Z fender emblem there is also wrapped in black for now. But it's all coming together. You just basically got this boot left to do. But we may leave that because, like we said, on the other side, you've got the rust that needs welding back in. So you need a metal plate to go in here. So we can't really do much with this side. We can wrap that. But we can also wrap the back and front bumper as well. So they're probably going to be next.
If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and check out our Instagram for daily content.